Lamarr was here, back for another video and back for another unboxing and taste test. FunkO sent me all 5, and I'm just like, dude, Sully, thank you so much. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna put down roach protection. I do not have roaches because I would have left this place already, but just in case they're listening in the neighbor's house, and so I do this just in case. And the cool thing, there is a FunkO Pop inside each one of these. It's a small version, but it's still in here. So this is the FunkO multi-grain cereal. Now, as I was looking at these, I don't know if they all taste the same or not, and they're just different colors, but that's what the taste test is for. We're gonna find out. Freddy Krueger, Nightmare on Elm Street, Tasty Treat, Fun to Eat, FYE exclusive, a Pocket Pop. And oh, nice. So let me show you that box there. And then there is the back. They have a little fun thing for you kids to do. Or forget you kids, I don't know if I can do this. On the back of all of them, it's the same message, I believe. Yeah, it's sort of. It's a couple that was a little different. This one forgot to say, hey kids. Maybe because it was Nightmare on Elm Street. Oh, that's why they did that. So the Jason cereal and the Freddy cereal does not say, hey kids, but the rest of them do. That's actually really interesting. I'm interested I just caught that. So this is not for you kids. Remember what it was like to sit in front of the TV on Saturday morning and watch cartoons while eating your favorite cereal? Well, FunkO does. So we're bringing back Saturday morning to kids of all ages. They put the kids back in there, so they got to take it out. With our new sugar toasted FunkO's. Ooh boy, that's gonna be a lot of sugar. 5. And remember, always have fun from Freddy FunkO. Awesome. Here's the side of the box. So let's just, I mean, if we're gonna do this, let's just do it right. And then, as if I care about the nutrition facts because I'm gonna be tasting. I don't have a choice. Bottom of the box, And let's just do the whole experience. We're gonna do it right. We're gonna, there you go. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Is this expired? No, this don't expire to next year. So this is what. Oh, I'm glad I did that because the thing is not in the cereal, it's in the box, the thing. Oh, this is tiny, I'm about to come over there. Okay, so this is the little Freddy Krueger FunkO. Really, it's so cute, it's so tiny. Aw. Here we go. All right, I'm just gonna put a little, okay? Actually, that's probably too much. And we're gonna go ahead and just enough to kind of get the crunch going. Kind of get, I mix it up because I just gotta, okay. We got 5, we better hurry up. Okay, so, again, Freddy Krueger, not for kids, even though it said kids, at the second line. Here we go. Okay. Wow. This immediately has a Fruit Loops taste. Like, immediately, because that's my favorite. I don't really eat cereal anymore as I gotten older. But yeah, this I wonder if Kellogg's made this for them. It says manufactured at Organic Milling, but you never know. That could be a subsidiary. These are not that sweet. That's a good thing. I would say this is lightly sweetened. Okay, let me stop. I got 5. But we'll put this one to the side. So this is Jason Voorhees, Friday the 13th. It says the same thing. Tasty treat, fun to eat. I wonder if it tastes exactly the same. So let's go ahead and do the box thing. And there's also a maze there. Okay. Side. Other side. Okay, we got top. And FunkO stamped on the bottom. Okay. These might be exactly the same. I'm gonna taste them anyway, but because some of these are different colors, this might be exactly the same cereal though. So anyway, it's still fun to open them. All right, that's Jason Voorhees right there. He's so cute. I mean, he's scary. He will kill you, but it's so cute. I'm just gonna put very little in here because I'm pretty sure it's the exact same cereal. It looks just like it. So yeah, we're just gonna do it just a little bit, Okay, one of them fell in. I hate when that happens. It fell in the box. See, look at all. Ah, no roaches. I felt like it was like the movie A Quiet Place, man. You drop a crumb, they come right. There's crumbs everywhere. Just a little splash. Let's see. Here we go. It's still good. Same cereal. Moving on to the next one. I don't know who's gonna be doing the dishes tonight because I ain't doing it. So this is actually a really cool box. I might display this by my Cuphead Xbox downstairs that I have on display. I might put it in that cabinet. Let me know if you think that's a good idea. And that's the back. Exactly the same as far. I mean, it might not be the exact same maze. I don't know that. But it looks exactly the same. Same message, except it says, hey kids there. That is really cool. There you go. The Nutrition. Top, the one I just tore, and then Funko on the bottom. Okay, I'm not gonna taste them. Like, I'm not gonna open it at this point. But I saw these, the last two are not the same. So I'm not, these are identical. Yeah, however, this is cool. Okay. Oh, wow. It's like the miniature one of the one I'm going to show you tomorrow. Cool. The only thing I don't like about the bigger pops, the Cuphead, is that the eyes are like this. I like the real eyes, so you'll see tomorrow what I mean. Please make sure you watch that video. But this is like really cool. I like these little tiny ones. I'm gonna save this bag. Now I'm keeping this box, so I might swap. I might just get somebody like Andre. If you come over this week, which you should be coming over, I'm just gonna like, here, you want some cereal? But I'm keeping the box. Okay, so this is the Mega Man box. Oh, he's so cute. Look at it. Mega Man for a long time was my main in Smash. Right there. Mega Man, Mega Man. I know it's different because the color is different. I wonder if is it just food coloring though. So we're gonna find out. Let's go ahead. So that's the bag. I bet it tastes exactly the same, but that's what my job is. My job is to tell you. I know about that other one now. Okay, let me show you. There he is, Mega Man, and all his glory. Mega Man, tell me a story, Mega. I just made up a song. Wow. Right, those are so cool. I'm just gonna put them. Now watch them get messed up right there, because I have to show you the box. Let me move them over. I just realized what's gonna happen when I do that. Okay, and so let's go ahead and give these a tasty taste. I bet these are all the same because they all say multigrain cereal and none of them say different flavors. It just says multigrain. So I bet it's the exact. I'm not gonna waste too much of this either. That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Well, yeah, that's how it looks. So I got a feeling it's gonna be the exact same cereal. I have no expectation of it tasting different, and it's not a bad thing. It's just, 5 different varieties. Yeah, exactly the same as food coloring. Okay, so the last box is Gollum or Gollum, however you pronounce it. I'll say Gollum. I think it's that. And so from Lord of the Rings, obviously. I didn't even know he had a pop. That's actually really cool. Again, the back, side, top, bottom. All right. I'm thinking it's gonna be the exact same. Yeah. Oh God, you look like me when I wake up in the morning. Oh man, that is actually really cool. There he is in the back. I wonder if the pop is exactly like this or bigger. I bet it is. Just a little bit, because I'm thinking it's the same. I put just, as you can just see there, just a little bit. Just a little bit. With just a touch of milk. Wow. That's old school. So I know some of y'all are like, what? God, that's so loud. All right, here we go. The final taste test. Yep. Same cereal. But let me tell you, the cereal is good. But if you like sweet cereal, you might not like this. You just throw some sugar on it. You just gotta have more sugar. I mean, but I feel like it's a healthier version of Fruit Loops. That's my opinion. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for the taste test. We got the Gollum cereal, Mega Man, Cuphead Mugman, Jason Voorhees, and Freddy Krueger. These, does it say kids? For adults, I'm sure what kid knows Jason Voorhees and Freddy Krueger anyway? I mean, that's kind of like that's when I was a kid. Anyway, I think these are really cool. I will put the link below to the Funko shop where these exist. I know one came out this weekend for order, and I don't know if from the Funko shop or from an exclusive store. If I find it, I'll throw that link in too. And they're going to be releasing them throughout the summer or throughout the year. Not sure exactly, but thank you, Funko, for allowing me to get kind of the exclusive here. So guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your Funko friends, like those who collect. Let them know about this, because this is brand new and so cool. And tomorrow will be the final video of the Funko weekend. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Thank you, and subscribe. Bye!
He's the funniest guy who gets the job done. Likes and how-tos, random bits, so fun. Man, he's so crazy, better pick up the thumb. Lamarr Wilson.